Good afternoon. We just finished installing our new Dimplex XL60 that we purchased from Modern Blaze. We had a great experience with customer service. The young lady that took care of us had all our questions answered, called us back several times with questions that we had. It arrived quickly. It was packaged very nicely. We had no issues installing it. It came with a remote control. It has heat, but you can just display the fireplace without the heat if you want. It definitely gives our house a warm feeling. Like I said, we've only had it for a couple of days, but it looks like a quality piece, and hopefully we'll have it for many years to come. Thank you, Modern Blaze, for making this transition very easy and for giving us the look that we've been looking for.